I got him. There's some wild stuff going on out here.
£5, 14 ounces.
Get back to rolling. Rolling on up the road. We've got ourselves a rodeo, boys. Please stay on that. Oh, when that fish went, man, that's so much fun. Get up in this boat. Oh, I love it when the plan comes together. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Next stop on the season, General Tire Heavy Hitters. That's where we are. Kissimmee, Florida, middle of May. It is hot, very humid. It actually is not as hot as it's going to be or could be. We've had some rain and storms this first morning of practice, but yeah, Kissimmee, Florida, heavy hitters. It's a cool event. Only 30 guys in it, but still broke up into two groups. So Group A and Group B. You know, it's built just like a regular Bass Pro Tour event. I am pretty sure that the winner of each of these rounds, though, automatically does jump to championship. Unlike on the Bass Pro Tour now, but like what we used to do, but not what we currently do. All of that. But yeah, really cool event. And you know, the way the cuts go, it's like you fish 15, and then I think 8 out of that 15 make the knockout round, and then so that gives you 16 in it, 10 or 8 in that make the championship. So, you know, 10 people gonna be in the championship. There's only 30 here to start with, so your odds of making the championship here are, you know, better than average. But yeah, fun event for sure. And then it's got those big fish payouts, like 10 grand in the first rounds, 30 in the knockout, and 100,000 in the championship just for the biggest fish. So big payout, especially with the big fish money figuring in. But today, first day of practice, man, it's been slow. I'm down on Kissimmee. I like Kissimmee best. You know, we had the first heavy hitter was a full field one, but it was on the Kissimmee chain in June. That was in like 2020. So that's my only summertime kind of experience here. And the fishing honestly wasn't very good then. You know, I had always heard that May was way better than June, but I ain't seen it yet today. This morning I got on a place where they were schooling some in the mouth of the river and caught 5 or 6, but none of them 2-pounders. There were some decent fish there, but I didn't catch any of them. And I think other than that, I have caught 2, 3. I've caught 3 all the rest of the day, so not very good. One on jig, one on frog, and one on one. No 2-pounders. I'm gonna say I've caught 8 to 10 fish, and I've had no 2-pounders. So my score would be. But just the first day of practice. It is afternoon, it's 2 o'clock or so. Be out here a few more hours, and then technically 2 more days. On Fridays, the last day of practice though, we'll get off the water a little bit early and actually fly home. Since I'm Group B, Parker's championship tournament is Saturday on Douglas, and Jason had something else going on, couldn't take the boys this weekend, so I'm gonna fly home and take them on Saturday, and then fly back down here Saturday evening. So be a lot of moving parts on this one, but I'm excited to get to do that with the boys. So that's it. That's caught up to date. Honestly, not a whole lot to report, but we're out here looking for some brush, visible stuff up here. We'll throw in that a little bit, see if we can try to find a little better fish. All right, so second morning, getting started. Yesterday, I ended up having 1 scoreable bite, to my knowledge. I caught one about 4 pounds on a new, it's a new topwater from Rapala. It's like it's a walking bait. Really good walking bait. Patrick Walters just used it some on Murray to win they'll eat there. But I actually had stopped back there near the mouth of the Kissimmee River going into Kissimmee where those fish were schooling in the morning, and had caught some small ones. And stopped there and caught a little one maybe on a worm, but then caught that big one out of some brush on that top water. So that I knew there was some good fish there. I saw them busted, but still it's pretty random. But that was it for scorpion bites. Edwin had some, B had some on Toho. Water down here in this part of it is just really dirty, and I don't know if that's a big part of it, and it being so low. I don't know. But I put back in down here today. I'm gonna run up to Cypress to start with this morning, see what it's like, and then I may end up walking up to Toho from there and fishing up there this afternoon, or just up in the days. We'll see how it goes. Got my dough.
3 pounds, 1 ounce.
3 pounds and an ounce. Thank you, buddy. Nice fish for me. My first one of the morning on old buzz bait. Yes, sir.
3 pounds, 14 ounces.
Almost a 4-pounder. Yes, sir. Long, big old headed Florida bass. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buzz bait. Let's get you right here. Score.
3 pounds, 4 ounces.
3 1/4 pounder. That's a nice one. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Don't know, but we gonna check you. Oh yeah.
2 pounds 3 ounces.
2 pounds 3 ounces. He is. My old DT16. I think you're gonna do it.
2 pounds 11 ounces.
We got us a score. 211. That worked. I think it's one of them armored catfish that got scared. Jumped up out of the water. And this bass ate my buzz bait. That's wild stuff going on out here.
2 pounds 5 ounces.
5, that'll work. That'll work. Keep plugging away at them. Got the third one. Good thing is I'm getting some nuts on this side with cypress trees.
3 pounds 3 ounces.
Three. Nice one. I thought that was a big one, the way it smoked it. They sure sounded good. They had me wrapped up.
2 pounds 0 ounces.
Hey, thank you, little buddy.
Pounds 5 ounces.
2.5. We'll take it. We'll definitely take it. He's on there. I got him. Or he got me. I don't know which. But we got him in the boat. All right. That's a little better one. Got that Bass Pro Prodigy down in his gullet. And that red line got him.
5 pounds 14 ounces.
Hey, I didn't really even get a look at him first. Look at that. That is a pretty good one there. Almost a 6-pounder. All right. Man, that was cool. This grass right here, it's got some good deep water in the edge of this stuff. And I come out through there earlier, I just threw a buzz bait. Kind of get going. I saw how deep it was then. I thought, man, I could get a bite. Flip it down through there.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Line's out. Into the rounds.
Yeah, hardly even jump, Poppy. Good day, gentlemen. Good day.